Welcome to Excel-Mehta training. In this clip, we'll show you how to enter advanced validation. Let's first see how advanced validations work. In this cell, we have put a validation so that it will allow us to select a product from the list of product entered in this list of product sheet. We'll come back here, and when we are clicking on any of this cell, it is showing a triangle here. If we click on triangle, we can select any product from this. Let's say if we selected this product, it picked up automatically price here because this if error and VLOOKUP has been already entered here. This was already explained in earlier study note. And this value is calculated using this formula if error plus multiplication. These were already explained earlier, so will not explain in this study note. Now let us explain how to enter this validation. Again, one more thing here, if there is a new product frock, see here frock is not there, and if we want to enter frock, we can type here, press enter. It will give us a message which we have designed and ask continue. If we say yes, we can continue. So I'm clicking yes, and it allows me to enter frock. In this case, I will have to enter rate manually because it cannot get rate from the table. Now we'll show how to enter this validation. So let's go to a sheet where there is no validation entered. Let's select first cell. We have to click on data. In data tool, this is the validation. I'm clicking here. Now in setting tab, I have to click on down arrow and click on list. Then here I have to select source. For selecting source from another sheet, I have to click on up arrow, and I'm going to list of product sheet. Now for validation, I have to select only the description, not the price. So I'm selecting only this one row, and after selection, I have to press down arrow. I'm coming back here. The dollar sign are already inserted. So I have to just click on OK. But before that, we can do one more change in this error alert. In error alert, if there is a stop here, it will not permit invalid value. But we can select here warning. In this case, it will permit us invalid value after giving warning. Now that warning message we can write here. We'll write here and I can click OK here. One more option is to input message. Whatever message you put here, this input message will be shown as soon as you select that cell. So you can put some message here. Let's say select from the list of value and I'm clicking OK. Now this validation has been entered. It is copied below in all the cell. Now, whenever I'm clicking, selecting this cell, how the data are to be entered is shown here. Triangle is also there. I can select as I had shown earlier. Price will come up automatically because of this error sign. So this is all about entering advanced validation, end of this session.